I feel like San Miguel is different from most schools, and I loved it. I loved it here. It was one of the best things that can ever happen to me.
I became this like little brainiac that really enjoyed learning different aspects of math and science, and that's what I kind of do with my life now today. So I guess it was really influential with all the teachers here. The teachers here are very, very high-class teachers, and they just really, really want the students to succeed.
Here, we all sort of are brothers. So if one of us has a problem, others can help solve it. If we're feeling down, we help each other feel better.
I was excited about this school, and I was really like relieved when everybody was like being nice to me.
It feels to me that San Miguel, yes, it's about learning, it's about school, but it's also about something else. It's about becoming a person that not only wants to better themselves, but wants to better the world they live in.
My experience at San Miguel was like eye-opening, because I realized there's more than Newburgh. Because here they tell you how to be a leader, tell you how to be on top. And I realized, this is the place I need to be at.
When an institution like San Miguel can intervene in students' lives very early, they have the best chance of setting up the right kind of mindset and developing the right kind of character that will contribute to success.
We do like a program each summer, and so last year we worked with drones, and so we had to build them, and then we just ended up doing experiments with them.
San Miguel during the summer, it refreshes your memory.
They'll keep you like busy so that you won't have to be at home all the time, because they want to look out for you, they care for you. They don't want you to be in the streets and stuff like that. They want to know where you're at, stuff like that, so they know there's a safe place here, like a second home.
They give you a whole bunch of different programs that you can try out, like after school, tech time, just a whole bunch of things that you can experience that makes you a better person.
Once a month, they have school on Saturdays where the benefactors will come in and they'll do all sorts of activities with the students, like cooking, watching films, financial literacy.
I'd recommend doing rowing. Rowing's fun.
It was frustrating, it was difficult, and but later on, I started to realize that it required discipline and patience. And once I got those skills, it started to get easier.
Rowing taught me to never give up. It's gonna get hard. Life is hard, but you just gotta keep going. Keep rowing to the finish line.
When I was growing up, I was sleeping on the floor. I was homeless sometimes, and my mother was working 2 or 3 jobs. What my life would be like without San Miguel, I would probably be on the streets somewhere. Without San Miguel, I wouldn't have been able to play basketball, go outside and become a social person, and be the person I am today. I wouldn't have any of the success without San Miguel.
The commitment really had to go beyond even these grammar school years, beyond 5th through 8th grade and into high school, and now we have a significant graduate support program for college.
You don't leave at San Miguel. you leave, but they're there for you after you leave. I mean, if I have never seen a program that has helped you from the get-go of high school and college and all the way down to your career path, and San Miguel does that.
I received a full scholarship to the School of Marblewood. I utilized the opportunity and skill set that San Miguel has given to me. Strengthened my leadership, maturity, and knowledge of my community to help me push forward in a new set of challenges, and graduated from prep school with high honors and a full ride to Niagara University.
Words can't explain how excited I was when he got that scholarship. And I would recommend any parent to please enroll their kids at San Miguel, because you'd be surprised what San Miguel Academy can do for a student.
Part of our internship program is designed to make sure that the students learn business from inside and out, and that they can see opportunities, that they can see career paths. They might be exposed to businesses that they never even, or even industries that they never even thought about participating in.
For some of these boys, this is a huge transition. You know, they're going from a small inner city environment and they're going to some very elite private schools. And that's an amazing experience, but you need a whole different skill set than what you need to walk down the street in Newburgh. So we're talking about self-control, talking about cooperation, making compromises. We're talking about accepting disappointment. We're talking about making adjustments to our plans and our goals.
Is that they take their time with the students. No matter what problem you're going through, the San Miguel Academy always finds a way to make things work out.
There is no other program out there that helps you through middle school, high school, and college until you are successful and have a job in place.
Because of you, because of you,
because of you, I'm defying the odds.
I am defying the odds.
I am defying the odds.
I am defying the odds.